All right, everyone, welcome back. No one probably wants to see this, but thanks for clicking on it. This is the Nintendo Switch. I know this probably sounds weird because I'm a grown-ass man, but I wanted this so bad because everyone else got it, and I love Animal Crossing, and I wanted to play it, so I'll just have to digitally download that because they're sold out everywhere. I went to like 4 different stores this morning. I woke up in the crack of dawn. My eyes were killing me. But anyways, I'm going to do an unboxing here. I just got this off Craigslist. I just got back. So I did have to open it, just make sure the guy wasn't scamming me. So the box has been opened once. There's no seal or anything. But anyways, here's the console itself. I haven't even taken this out yet. But the guy said I didn't even open the box because I didn't want to give you Corona. So that was pretty funny. But anyways, we got everything else in here. I assume. I don't know what actually comes with these. So hopefully nothing is left out. But seems pretty trustworthy. So it looks like this is the power adapter right here. Got your HDMI cable here for the cradle. And then this looks like a hand strap or something like that. So I don't actually know what comes in these, so hopefully this is informational for you if you are looking for something like that, but I will be making a different video hopefully today, so this won't be the actual only video for today hopefully. So anyways, if you're watching this, oh, there's another one right here, so another hand strap, one for each side. This looks like a controller to slide both sides on. I don't even know if those are called Joy-Cons or whatnot. But anyways, this should be the cradle right here. It plugs into your TV. So if you're not playing it handheld, right there, you can plug it into the TV and you go full screen, which I think is actually awesome. So it's like a big Game Boy. I'm assuming the game, I don't know why there's some marks on that. Anyways, but so this is what this looks like. I've never seen this before, so looks pretty legit. Looks pretty awesome. Guess the cord would go on the back here somewhere. I'm not sure. Oh, that would make sense. So plug the USB, maybe a hard drive or something. HDMI, plug in for the power. So that looks really awesome. I don't know if that's part of the stand or not. Probably not. But anyways, looks super awesome. I can't wait to try it out. Just don't know where you put the games in. So that's probably another power adapter. Yeah, no idea where you put the games in, unless it's, yeah, I don't know. So I went to the 4 different stores, like I said, and I did pick up, a Mario Kart while I was there, just because I assumed I would be getting it eventually, but I didn't know I was going to go desperate mode and go get it this morning, so I got this off Craigslist. It was a little bit marked up, not extremely bad, but prefer not to pay over the price, but it is what it is. So anyways, let's see what this looks like here real quick. See if I can take this out without damaging it. That looks pretty crispy. No idea even how to turn this thing on. So I'm assuming you slide the things on the side, obviously. And then, okay, so the game card goes right here. So that goes like that. Kind of flimsy with the little plastic flippers right there. So anyways, the games, I didn't even know what the games look like. Someone said they were like micro SD cards, which they're not, or micro extreme, I don't know, but this is what the games look like. They're pretty much like a little smaller than an SD card, so that's what that looks like for size comparison. So anyways, can't wait to try it out. Probably have to download Animal Crossing. That hopefully won't take too long, but anyways, if you guys play, let me know. I can't wait to try it out. And God bless, have an awesome rest of your day, and see you guys back here shortly for an electrical video if I'm not consumed by this. Peace out, guys.